Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Reishi mushroom powder step by step. Begin by measuring a small 500 milligram dose to assess tolerance, then mix into warm water or tea to extract beneficial compounds. If you prefer, blend the powder into smoothies or capsule it for convenience. Keep a consistent routine, track effects like sleep or stress changes, and adjust your dose gradually for best results. Start by adding 1 to 3 grams of Reishi powder to about 2 cups of water and bring to a gentle simmer. Maintain a low simmer for 15 to 30 minutes to extract active components. Strain the liquid into a cup, then adjust flavor with honey, lemon, or a pinch of cinnamon to taste. Sip slowly and note any calming effects, and refrigerate leftovers in a sealed container for up to 3 days. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making useful content for you. It really helps. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for storing herb guides and recipes and makes reading while you brew Reishi so much easier. Check the description for the link and other deals I mention, then get ready to follow the next steps. Now let's get back to the video. To incorporate Reishi into your meals, start with 500 to 1,000 milligrams per serving and mix into smoothies, yogurt, or porridge for a subtle earthy boost. Pairing the powder with healthy fats like nut butter or coconut oil can support absorption of certain compounds. Avoid prolonged high heat, which may degrade sensitive molecules, and keep a simple log of how you feel after meals to fine-tune timing and dose for your routine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.